So how do you get the green screen on iPad writing? So if you're new to this channel, subscribe right now as you don't want to miss videos like this one. So what you need, or what you probably want to achieve, is to have your drawing without the background, right? So this is what the green screen is for. But I just want to let you know and show you how you can do this with any background, right? Because if you, for example, go to the Notes app of your iPad, and just draw something using the Apple Pencil, and you of course capture it with a screen recording, well then you can delete the background even if it's white or even black, it does not matter. So you can use a video editor like CapCut where you can import the clip into the timeline, have a background, where you can layer things on the top of each other, and then you can click on the actual clip, of the writing, select it within the timeline and choose the overlay feature so it will appear on the top of the other track right there. But then you just need to keep on having the clip selected, and you can also find the remove background option. This will give you more options on how the background may be removed, like you can use the like automatic removal, but I would just go with the chroma key, which will let you select a color which is supposed to be removed. In our case, I'm going to point it at the white background, and you will see that the white background will disappear, leaving us with just the drawings, right? So you can see that I can type in whatever I want, I can achieve all of these nice effects, and it is just looking really cool. I can use it for all of my clips and videos like I want, and yeah, as you can see, it just works. So let me know if this is what you are looking for. If it was, just hit the thumbs up, and if not, let me know about what's really the goal of yours is in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.